Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a box from ButcherBox. Stay tuned. Alright, so the other night during my live feed, by the way, if you haven't checked it out, y'all need to start checking it out. It's Wednesday nights at 8 o'clock. We have a good time. Talk about barbecue and all kind of other stuff. But I told everybody that I had joined the ButcherBox subscription, monthly subscription for meat, and I said that when I got it in that I would do an unboxing. So we got it in today, and so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It's going to be a really quick video. If you want all the details about ButcherBox, go to butcherbox.com and they lay it all out for you. But basically it's a monthly subscription or bi-monthly subscription of different kinds of meats. There's different kind of boxes. I chose to get the mixed box, and so that's beef, pork, and chicken. You can do different types of boxes, or you can do a custom box where you choose your own box. But I got a mixed box, beef, poultry, and pork, and so we're going to unbox it. I'm going to put this box down in the chair right here so I can kind of lay everything out so y'all can see it. All right, so one of the questions is going to be how is it packed and how does it stay cold, keep the meat cold and that kind of thing. So first off, when I get inside the box, there's a big styrofoam, or it's like an insulation type lining. So I guess you can just fold it out this way. And really this is the first of me opening the box. Now here's a package of dry ice that's on top. And they say on the website sometimes it does bust, you know, as it's cooling everything, and that's normal. And this one has a little bit, but man, it's still ice cold. So I'm going to put it over to the side. All right, so now here's a bag that you get with the ButcherBox, a really nice bag. Keep stuff cold. That's really nice. Put it right over there. We've got a book, the ButcherBox Kitchen Handbook. Really cool. Butcherbox.com on the back. Really nice. And now we've got our meat. And again, it's packed really well with more packaging. All right, now for the good stuff. Now again, we got the mixed box, poultry, beef, and pork. This is the chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. All the chicken breasts, they don't have any antibiotics or anything like that in them, so that's pretty cool. 3.15 pounds of chicken breast. So I'll lay that out there. What else do we have? Alaskan sockeye salmon. Right there. Some nice fillets in there. So we've got the sockeye salmon. Now the salmon was free with my box because they did a promotion for like a keto plan. And so because I did the order, we got the sockeye salmon for free. We also got free some bacon. Applewood smoked uncured bacon. No sugar added. Really cool. So there's some bacon. All right, let's look at our pork. We've got some no antibiotics or growth hormones for our pork. Boneless pork, country style ribs. Okay. And I think this is some more of that. Boneless pork, country style ribs. So 4 packs of the country style ribs. Beef, grass-fed beef, ribeye steaks. Some nice marbling in those. Let's see what else we've got. Some more pork. Boneless pork loin chops. 4 8-ounce chops. So there's some more pork. Now some more beef. Some ground beef. 100% grass fed and grass finished. And that's important. A lot of times a package will say grass fed, but then at the end they feed them a lot of grain to fatten them up. But this is grass fed and grass finished beef. So there's some ground beef. And lastly, what we got here? Grass fed boneless chuck roast. Very nice chuck roast, good marbling in that. So there you go, there's our box. So we've got chops, some boneless pork ribs, we've got our grass-fed ground beef, ribeyes, chuck roast, chicken breasts, our bacon, and our sockeye salmon. Now this box right here, the mixed box, was $129. Is it worth it? Well, I'm going to find out when I start cooking some of this stuff. So in my future videos, if I use something from my butcher box, I'm going to let you know in the description box or in the title, and I'll also say it in my videos and give you an honest review. I paid for this box, it was $129. It was not sent to me, so I'll be sure to give you an honest review. So there's our butcher box, and until next time, I'll be Piddlin.